Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Wellory for nutrition coaching, full guide step by step clearly. To begin using Wellory for nutrition coaching, first, download the Wellory app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After registering, log into your new account. Next, take a moment to complete your profile. This includes entering details about your dietary preferences, health goals, and any food allergies. Once your profile is set up, explore the app's features. Navigate to the dashboard to view personalized content tailored to your goals. To connect with a nutrition coach, go to the Coaches section. You can browse through a list of available coaches, reading their bios and areas of expertise. Select a coach that resonates with your needs and click on their profile for more information. When you find the right coach, choose the option to start a session. You may be asked to select a preferred communication method, such as chat or video calls. After selecting your coach, schedule your first session. During this session, discuss your goals and preferences in detail with your coach. Make a note of any specific questions or topics you want to cover. Following your session, keep track of your progress using the app's logging features. Log your meals, workouts, and any relevant notes. Your coach will review your entries and provide ongoing feedback. Take advantage of the app's resources, including recipes and articles, to enhance your learning. Regularly check in with your coach to adjust your nutrition plan as needed. Stay committed and engaged with your coaching to achieve the best results. Using Wellory can be an effective way to learn about nutrition and stay accountable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.